Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to download ARK Survival Ascended for free. So to do that you have to open the browser of your PC and checking out for the latest version of Steam from the official website of this application. So when you click on the first result you just got here on browser, you can just download the latest version, or may you have it in your PC. Just open this Steam and go in search and type here ARK Survival Ascended. So when you just click on it, you will get the game for free, but it's actually about $44 or $45. It's discounted, but if you just want to play until July 3rd, you just go and click on play game and you will get the setup to install it to your PC. And it's actually very good to test it, and this all about how to get the ARK Survival Ascended for free in Steam. Hope guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick solve videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.